2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Otis Redding, Sitting on the Dock of the Bay. Very nice, cool song, easy, no problem. Alright, let's get to it. We got G major, 1, 2, 3. Song is in G. We got a B7. 1, 2, 3. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We got an A7. That's for the verses. And then for the chorus, we got an E7. 1, 2. Yeah. And later on for the bridge we have D major. C we already learned. We have F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. To D7. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so song starts vamping on the G. Okay, so that's the chords and the switching. Then we got some other things going on that we can learn if you're more advanced. So G major verse, B7, C, ba 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 ba. So a little walk down, C, and ba, 3, 2, 1, A. C, C, B, B flat, A. Same here with chorus from G. 3, 2, 1, open. That's on the low A string. A7. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, and then the bridge we got G, D, C. D7 verse. We have the break part. And he's whistling. Stay on G. E7. Okay, so that's the parts for this song. Let's go over it one more time really quick before we end the lesson. Starts on just vamping on G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then verse G to B7. C, walk down to A7. That's the verses. And then chorus G, walk down, E7. 2 times. Third time we go to A7. Or walk down. Fourth time again, walk down to E7. And then bridge G, D, C 2 times. Last time we go from G, D, C, and back to G. It's gonna take us to F and end on D7. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow as always. Be safe, take care, subscribe, like. Thank you.